Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI Mi Mix Flip, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of the screen like so, and then locate the Do Not Disturb toggle, which will be this little moon icon right over here. Once you see where that is for you, you want to hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Here we're going to scroll down just a bit and you'll see the Do Not Disturb section, and click on it, and then you have all the settings that you have access to. Change them to fit your needs, and once you have done so, we can close this and you don't ever have to come back here again. Additionally, you can also set up a fully automatic schedules in here. So you can just create one as an example, name it timer 1 is good enough, and we can select a start time and let's say end time. There we go. And I can then change days of the week. So I'm going to keep it at every day. And when I toggle it on, it automatically becomes enabled as it is, well, any day of the week. And it is between 7 and 10 p.m. So obviously, because of that, it's automatically turned on, and you can see this moon icon right over here. Now, you can also turn off or turn it on your Do Not Disturb mode from here, which you would be doing manually if you don't want to use a schedule. You can just do it from here like so. But do remember to turn off your Do Not Disturb mode, as it will run indefinitely in the background if you don't. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.